Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. So today I'm sharing with you the 6th Lost collection by Madam Glam, and this is their anniversary release for the month of July, because July marks 6 years since Madam Glam has been blessing us with these amazing products. And to celebrate, they did launch 10 new sparkly soak off gel polishes, and I have the entire collection to swatch for you guys. I will also be showing you how to incorporate these glitter gels in an everyday gel polish manicure. But before I do that, let me give a shout out to my notification squad. These are the first 3 people to get in and drop a comment on my last video. And let's get right into today's video. Getting straight into it, the packaging on this collection is different. You do still have your swatch at the top of the bottle, which shows you exactly what is inside. However, the name of this color is written on front in a metallic shade, which also matches the gel polish on the inside of the bottle. And we do have a matte black bottle with a gold handle, which is totally different to the packaging that we are accustomed to and would look absolutely gorgeous on that gel polish display. And I will be swatching these out on my clear pop stick, so go ahead and grab yourself a snack, some tea or coffee, sit back, relax, and enjoy these swatches. Here are all 10 colors swatched, and I absolutely love this collection. It is so versatile and you can incorporate it in so many different sets. However, I did apply 2 coats of each color, and some of them are still on the sheer side, but you can build these colors up once you keep your layers nice and thin. You can get away with about 3 coats, and I will share that with you guys right now in the nail art design. So for this design, I decided to take 2 of Madam Glam's cream gel polishes and pair it with Wham Bam Thank You Glam, because I absolutely love the name of that color and I had to use it in this video. So I'm starting off with Perfect Pink, and I'm going to apply 2 nice thin layers of this, and I'm curing in between each coat for 30 seconds, making sure to clean up the cuticle area and sidewalls if I get any of the gel polish on there. Now, one of my subscribers did message me on Instagram and asked me what I prefer to use for clean up. This is actually an Alpha French brush, and I love it for cleaning up. It is on the bigger side, but the bristles are nice and thin at the tip, so it gets into the sidewalls and around that cuticle area nice and tight to make sure that your gel polish application looks flawless. And I do use a little bit of alcohol on my cleaner brush in order to clean up that area as well. This is going to remove any tackiness that gel polish would leave on the skin before curing. And after each layer of that gel polish is cured, I'm going to go ahead and apply my Madam Glam's No Wipe Gel Top Coat to this nail and give it a final cure of 30 seconds. On my nails, I am wearing 2 colors from this gel polish collection as well, and I will also include a clip of my set at the end of the video to share with you guys. It's just to show you that the possibilities of creating with this glitter collection is endless. You can go as simple or as advanced as you want with this collection. Today we're keeping it really simple with this one, so any one of you can try it, whether you're a beginner or advanced. It's still going to look absolutely classy and stunning. On the next 2 nails, I'm going to go in with Wham Bam Thank You Glam, and I will be applying 3 nice thin but even coats of this color, and I'm curing in between each coat for 30 seconds. I did purposely leave that nude tip underneath because I wanted you guys to get an idea as to how opaque this glitter gets once you build it up, and as you guys can see, you cannot even make out the nude tip, and I did not even need a base color. After curing all 3 layers, I'm going to apply my Madam Glam's No Wipe Top Coat and give it a final cure of 30 seconds. And on this nail, I'm going to apply 2 coats of Sweet November. And if you missed any of the names of these gel polishes, I would have the entire list, link, and coupon code in my description box below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. If you are interested in investing in Madam Glam gel polishes for a long-term period, I would suggest signing up for the Madam Glam's VIP program, where you get 50% off your gel polishes. However, if it's a one-time purchase, I do have a 30% off coupon code that you guys are free to use. I don't profit off of this. I don't make money or commission off of that coupon code. It is just for me to ensure that you guys have good quality products at a discounted price. Taking my Makartt Rhinestone Glue, or as I like to call it, my Makartt Gem Gel, I'm going to be placing some Swarovski crystals on this nail. Now, I did decide to use the neon pink crystals because I found that it went really well and complemented this set with the different shades of pink that I chose, as well as with that glitter. So after I place my rhinestones where I want them to go, each time I lay down a fresh set of Makartt Gem Gel, I do not cure it after pressing my stones into it. So all the stones that you see on the nail, the gem gel is still wet. And I love this because it doesn't move, it doesn't shift unless I actually go in and move it and shift it around until I'm happy with the way that my crystals are placed. When I am happy with the way that it looks, I go right on top of that wet gem gel with my Madam Glam's No Wipe Gel Top Coat. And this is going to smoothen out any of that gem gel that would have squeezed out or oozed out while I was pressing down my stones. And when everything lays nice and flat and I'm happy with the placement of my stones, I then go in and give this nail a full cure of 60 seconds. Here is the final result. I really and truly love how these turned out. They are absolutely adorable, quick, simple, and to the point. So if you guys recreate this set in any way, tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is on the screen. I love to see your recreations and I do share them in my Insta stories as well. And if you did enjoy this set, go ahead and leave me this emoji with your comments in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, please click on that subscribe button down below. And while you're there, turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss out whenever I upload a new video. Coming up next is a clip of my set using this same gel polish collection by Madam Glam, and I want to thank Madam Glam for sending this collection out to me. I absolutely love it and I would 100% recommend it. And if you're interested in seeing me recreate this set, then let me know in the comment section below. Flood that comment section and I will definitely recreate this set and share it with you guys. I did use the Nail Couture's 123 Go XXL square to create this set. So that is it for me. I hope everyone is having an amazing day or night, whatever time it is where you are right now. If you do enjoy my videos, continue watching by clicking on any one of these videos on the end screen right now. As always, I would love for you guys to stay glamorous, be safe, and I'll see you soon.